New at 10 tonight, it's now okay to mix and match COVID vaccines if you want, but just go get the booster. The FDA tonight giving the go-ahead to mix the different vaccines with the hope of shrinking the number of positive COVID cases across the country. Now, Fox 46's Will Lewis is joining us live at Uptown. And Will, FDA officials say this is big news that they are not opening the boosters up to everyone just yet.
Yeah, that's right, Brian. They're still looking at the data, but the FDA believes that the benefits of mixing boosters outweighs the potential risk. Now, the FDA believes that many people will just select the booster as their original vaccine, but the option is there if people want to switch things up.
This is a big move by the Food and Drug Administration. Booster shots approved for Moderna and Johnson Johnson. That means all three vaccines have been approved for booster doses. In the case of Pfizer and Moderna, those boosters are approved for people 65 and older, people at high risk of contracting COVID, or the job puts them in an increased exposure to the virus. Those people can get the booster if it has been 6 months from full vaccination. As for the J&J, anyone 18 and older can get the booster if they receive the initial dose of the vaccine 2 months or later.
Allowing for booster doses in the populations that need them most at this time marks another important step in our collective effort to bring the COVID-19 pandemic to a close.
When it comes to mixing the vaccines, the FDA believes most people will get the same booster as their original dose. The agency also knows there may be availability problems or people who had a reaction to the original dose. So the advice is to speak with your doctor or another provider to know which booster is best.
We wanted to provide a lot of flexibility because some people don't know what vaccine they got in certain circumstances. There are people who don't know. There are people who do not want to get the same vaccine as they got before because they had some sort of reaction.
The agency continues to monitor hotspots across the nation, new variants, and the possibility of lowering the age requirement of people eligible for the booster vaccines.
Watching this very, very closely and will take action as appropriate to make sure that the maximal protection is provided to the population.
Now, during that news conference, officials for the FDA say tomorrow expect the CDC to release their findings. We're live in Uptown. Will Lewis, Fox 46.
Thank you, Will. Let's take a look now at COVID numbers in North Carolina tonight. The downward trend in case numbers and hospitalizations continues. Today, more than 2,600 new cases were reported, while just more than 1,800 COVID patients are still in the hospital. On the decline, too, is the number of positive tests that health workers are seeing. Today, only 6.5% came back positive.